I'm Amber of the Little Research House, where we are constantly seeking out the joy in the little things. And speaking of the little things, it's finally starting to feel like summer around here. We have longer daylight hours, warmer temperatures, and therefore more opportunities to spend some time outside. Our backyard space here at the Little Research House has been neglected pretty well since the day we moved in. I have a few updates planned for our backyard patio over the next couple of weeks, but we have never let a lack of patio furniture stop us from enjoying our backyard before. So we definitely won't let it stop us now. This weekend is supposed to be beautiful, so I thought I'd share with you a recipe for my favorite refreshing cocktail to make and enjoy at home, a grapefruit mojito. Let's get started. Mojitos are a classic white rum cocktail known for the refreshing combination of lime and mint. They're traditionally made using fine-grained white sugar muddled with mint leaves, white rum, and fresh lime juice, and topped off with soda water. A classic mojito has long been one of my favorite summer cocktails until I tried swapping out the fresh lime juice for fresh grapefruit juice. And I think it's safe to say that the grapefruit version might just be even better. I tend to make my at-home cocktails as simply as possible, often substituting this or that depending on what I have on hand. However, for this particular cocktail, I like to make a fresh mint simple syrup to have on hand throughout the summer because it really delivers that great fresh mint flavor that a mojito is known for. So that's what I'm going to get started on. But if that feels like too much effort for you, just use whatever sweetener you have on hand. To make the fresh mint simple syrup, you will need equal parts white sugar and water and a sprig of fresh mint leaves. I combined half a cup of each with the mint leaves in a small saucepan and whisked it together until the sugar was dissolved. Allow the mixture to come to a low boil, stirring constantly. Remove it from the heat and let the mint leaves soak as it cools. You can prep this in advance and keep it in a sealed mason jar in your fridge for a week or two. My simple syrup is cooled, so it's time to get mixing. To make 2 mojitos, you will need 1 fresh, medium to large sized grapefruit, a handful of fresh mint leaves, mint simple syrup, or any sweetener you have on hand, white rum, a can of grapefruit flavored Perrier, or any soda water you have, ice, and a cocktail shaker. If you don't have a cocktail shaker, don't let that stop you. I actually just recently got mine. A sealed mason jar works just as well. Start by slicing your grapefruit in half. From one half, cut off a round slice and set it aside to be used as a garnish. Squeeze the juice out of the other 2 remaining parts into a bowl. In a cocktail shaker, add 2 tablespoons of mint simple syrup, 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice, 4 ounces of white rum, and 6 to 8 mint leaves, gently twisted and torn. Be sure not to break the leaves up too much or the pieces will be too small and you'll get them in your drink. Add ice to the shaker, pop on the lid, and give the mixture a good shake. Top 2 glasses with ice. Evenly distribute the shaken cocktail mixture between the 2 glasses and top them off with the soda water. Garnish the glasses with additional mint leaves and the slice of grapefruit you previously set aside. These are best enjoyed on a patio under the sweet sunshine with the ones you love. I hope you feel inspired to embrace this beautiful summer weather coming our way with these delicious, refreshing grapefruit mojitos. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and share in the comments with me some of your favorite summer cocktails. This year, I made a goal to try 15 new cocktails at home, and so I need all the inspiration I can get. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos just like this. I also just want to remind you to please drink responsibly. These cocktails are best enjoyed in the comfort of your own home, but if you are out and about, make sure you do not drink and drive. Well, friends, remember that the good things in life are the little things, like a refreshing drink on a warm summer day. Bye.